Hello everyone, it's Lynette with Charmed Grammy Crochet, and today is Podcaster Spirit Week Day Cowboy. I don't know which day, how many days we've had, but this is the best I got. I got a flannel shirt. I know some people are getting really creative. I don't have anything cowboy in the house. I don't have a cowboy hat. I don't have cowboy boots. I don't have any kind of fringy anything, with like fringe on it. I don't even have a flannel shirt. This is Roy's old flannel shirt. So this is what we got. I just got in from work and we're on our way out to the camper. I just changed clothes. I'm like, wait, I have to make this video. I need a flannel shirt. And I had to go digging and we found this one and I really love the colors. So it doesn't fit him anymore because he got real thin. Lucky him. So I'm going to wear it. And I like it. And it is Cowboy Day today. And I'm wearing cowboy. So there you go. That's how as cowboy westernish as we have is a flannel shirt that looks like this. And if you hear some noise in the background, we're getting ready for the camper and there's noise. So there's that. So I did just want to really quick show you my luck of the draw because it is podcast I have not put out yet today. So the luck of the draw for yesterday was this color for me. This is, I love this yarn in the color Burnt Pumpkin. This is the first time we've used this one in my luck of the draw. It's the first time it's been called number 5. So now all the numbers have been called at least once. And this is what my wrap is looking like. This is the beginning. And it comes across like this to now number 5. So yay, I'm really, really, really loving it. I'm doing 3 rows of the color of the week, except at the beginning. I did 3 rows of the navy to begin with, and then 1 row of navy and 3 rows of the color of the week. This is a X stitch, and I'm using a 7mm hook, and it is as long as holding this hand. And it's not stretched, so I'm going to say it's probably 4 feet. I'm designing it to, I want it to be a wrap. Let's see how well it's starting to wrap. Not quite big enough yet. I mean, it goes around me, but not all the way, it meets here, but it doesn't wrap all the way around you. And I want it to be something you can cuddle up in. And throw over one shoulder and still have it you know what I mean? So it's not big enough, which is fine because this was week 10. I do believe this was week 10. I might be wrong, but that's what I think. And if it's not week 10, it's week 9. So I think it'll be the perfect size when it's done to be able to wrap and throw around one side. And if I find that, at week 18 it's too, it's gotten too big, then we'll just stop, or it's big enough or whatever. But this is so far so good. And honestly, I was making this during our Bogey Creek camp video yesterday. That's I got it done during the video when Nancy was pulling out the blankets. I did get my week's worth added on. So it took less than an hour while I was conversing and trying to read the chat. And you guys, for a hashtag Bogey Camp 2022, she opened 23 blankets yesterday. Can you believe that? It's only been, 2 weeks or something? 23 blankets already. I'm so impressed and so excited. My blankets aren't there yet. Her blankets haven't been counted. Billy did make a bear for the bogey because they asked for, they have a specific pattern for a bear that they give to all the kids. If you sew, that pattern is free on their website. Billy made it. She said it's a little bit tricky, but not impossible. She doesn't know if she'll make another one. But it's adorable. It turned out really cute, really, really cute. So if you want to see the blankets that were done, go to Billy's live from yesterday, do the replay, and you can see all the blankets that were made and the bear. And I hope you enjoy that. Thanks for tuning in yesterday, if you were there. If not, come see us next time. We're thinking 2 weeks, every 2 weeks, unless, of course, she gets in so many that 2 weeks will make the video too long. Then we might have to go weekly. But we really do want to fill a truck. So I'm very excited about that. And I did want to show you this. And I think we're about ready to, we're always packing up the last few things. And we're going to head out to the camper. So tomorrow I'll see you from the campground. And tomorrow I know is Disney Day. I'm probably the only one on the face of the planet that does not own a Disney t-shirt, but I do not have a Disney shirt. I do not have Mickey Mouse ears, and I do not have time to do that stuff between now and tomorrow. So I'm not gonna participate tomorrow. I will do a video tomorrow, but I'm sorry, it will not be a Disney video. I don't have anything Disney. I used to have a Mickey Mouse watch when I was a kid, and I love Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. But I really and truly don't have anything mousy in the housey. So I'm sorry about that. But I'll be there with you in spirit. Oh, excuse me. It is Spirit Week. So there you go. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.